even numbers is 52.
Now come on here. The sum of what of squares, right? Of two consecutive. When you say consecutive means what? In that order. Are we okay here?
Yes, sir.
Consecutive means what? Rapid. Right?
Yeah.
Now in this case here, for two consecutive series here, he has been grabbing what the golden goods, right? That means last year, this year, alright? That is straight 2 years. So now if we are looking at what? At two consecutive numbers, right? But the numbers are what? They are even numbers. Is that not so, sir? So, do we know the numbers here?
It's 52.
No, do we know the number? No. Let the number be what? X.
The sum of squares of two consecutive even number.
Now look at this man. Two consecutive. Look at this man here. Sum of squares, right?
Yes, sir.
If the number, let's say, sum of squares.
Yeah.
Let the number be what? Be array.
Yeah.
So if we have two consecutive squares, now look at this, two, right? Not one. If we have choose area, what do you have now? You have R square, right?
Yes, sir.
The sum is what? Plus, eh?
Yeah.
Next year, we can say what's here again? Area plus 1 plus 2, the whole what? The whole square. 1 and what? And 2.
Yeah.
This one is clear, right? So we can come down and say what? Here we have what? We have R square plus R plus what? Plus 2, the whole what?
Square.
Whole square, right? But the sum of these number here is what?
52.
Now we have 50 what? 52. Are we okay here now? This is the interpretation, right? You now have what? R square plus. How many brackets do we have here now?
2.
Now, you have what? You have R square, right?
Yeah.
Here is what? R square plus what? Plus 2R plus 4, eh?
Yeah, plus 4.
Equal to what? 52.
Yeah.
No.
Are we okay here? 2 square is what? Is what?
4R.
Alright, 2 plus 2 gives you what?
4.
Are we okay here?
Yes, sir.
Now look at this man here. There is what? 2 square gives you what? This is same as expansion of 2 brackets, right? R plus 2 here, R plus 2. Are we okay here? Now take out the bracket and expand it, okay? R here into what? R plus 2 here into what? R plus 2. Are we okay here?
Yes, sir.
R times R,
R square.
R square plus R times 2, 2R plus 2 times R,
2R.
plus 2 times 2, 4. Are we okay here? I'll now have what? R square plus
4R.
4R here plus 4. Are we okay here?
Yes, sir.
But some of the step is too long, right? So I've told you that whenever you have a value like this, so what do you take this man and the first man and what is square? Are we okay? Next, this guy here is what? Is R, eh? R is the variable. And what do you have now? 2, right?
2, yeah.
The second is what is plus. So add this guy. 2 plus 2 gives you what?
4.
4. And what is the variable here?
R.
You say plus 4R. Are we okay here?
Yes, sir.
Then the last constant here, this is the constant, right? The last number here is what is 2. Now, this square term is telling that you must multiply to how many times? 2 times, right? Now, 2 times gives you what? 4. Are we okay here? Good. So that is the interpretation, okay? Are we to proceed now?
Yes, sir.
Now, the coefficient here is what?
1.
And the coefficient here is what?
1.
1 plus 1 gives you what? 2R square. Are we okay here?
Yes, sir.
Plus what?
Plus
4R here. Plus what? Plus 4 here minus what?
52.
52. Now we have taken everything to this side, right?
Yeah.
What does it mean now?
0.
0. Are we clear here?
Yes, sir.
Now you have what? You have 2R square plus 4R. Now you have what? This guy here minus this guy here. What do you have now?
Minus
48. We have 48, right?
Yes, sir.
Equal to 0. But if you observe something here again, this guy is what? Here is 2, right?
Yeah.
Now, the square term here has what? Has a coefficient of 2. And here we have what? We have 4, right? And then we have what? We have 48. Now, we know that 2 can go into what? Into all of these values, right?
Yeah.
So therefore, we can divide all the sides by what? By 2. Are we okay here? Now, 2 divided by 2. Let me just put the division sign for you to see. Okay? Divided by 2. Divided by 2. This is an equation, right? So what you do on the right hand side can be done on the left hand side as well, right? So I will still divide it by 2. So these 2 and these 2 will reduce, right? So what is remaining now?
It's 2R.
R square now, only.
Okay, R square.
Are you right? Plus 4 divided by 2 gives you what? 2R, eh? Plus now 48 divided by 2 gives you what? Huh?
16.
It's 2 into 40. How many times?
2 to 48.
You get the calculation, just take calculation on that problem.
It's 24.
24, right? So here you have what? You have 24 equal to 0, eh? You now have what? Simplified quadratic equation, eh?
Yeah.
So therefore multiply here and here. We see whenever we want to have quadratic equation, whenever we want to use what the factorization method, what do we do? First define the sum, eh?
Yeah.
Now always the sum here is what?
24.
Is the middle value, right? Not 24.
Okay, 2, sorry.
That is what? That is 2. And next step here you find what? You find the product, right?
Yes, sir.
Product here is equal to what? A multiplied by B by C, eh? So therefore, what is A here? 1, right?
1.
This one is equal to 1 here multiplied by C. What is C here?
24.
24, eh? So therefore, this one is equal to what? 24 again. Are we okay here? The next thing that you must do here is you find what? You find the factors, right? Factors. What are the factors here? The factors here are the 2 numbers here. When you multiply them here, you're going to have what? 24. And when you add up to the you're going to have the sum. Are we okay here? Okay, here is negative. So we go. So what do you have now? Bring number carry the sign, eh?
Yes, minus 6 times 4.
Minus 6 times 4 gives you what?
Minus 24.
Minus 24, right? And minus 6 plus 4 gives you what?
Minus 2.
6.
Minus 2, right? So therefore we can say what? Minus 4, 6 minus 4 gives you what?
Minus plus 2.
Plus 2, right?
Yes, sir.
And 6 times minus 4 gives you what? 24, right?
24.
Are we okay here?
Yes, sir.
So the factors are what? Are 6 and what? Negative 4. Are we okay here now?
Yeah.
Now we introduce 2 brackets, eh? Now the variable that we are using here is what? R, eh? R here plus what? Plus 6. And then we have what? We have R here minus what? Minus 4, eh?
Yes, sir.
Equal to what? 0. Are we okay now?
Yes, sir.
Now so therefore R here is now equal to what do you have now? 6, eh? Coming up becomes of negative 6 now, eh?
Minus 6.
Or
R equals to 4.
R is
4.
equal to
4.
positive 4, right? So therefore, the 2 numbers here are what? Minus 6 and what?
4.
And positive 4, right?
Yes, sir.
That's all. Yes? Solution, yeah, we are given here. Yeah, what are we given here?
The breadth of a rectangle is 3 meters.
Now,
Less than its length.
now, less than what?
Its length.
Mm-hmm.
If the area is 180 meters square,
Yeah.
find the dimension.
Area is equal to what? 180, right? Meter square. Is that also, sir? But this, we are giving the breadth, right? What's that? Okay. Now, 3 less than, right?
Yeah.
Now, so therefore, this is what? We must let a number, right? Let the breadth be what? Be R, eh? So therefore, we can say what? 3 less than means what? R minus what? Minus 3. Are you okay here? Whenever I say less than a particular number here, it means that number, alright, which number is what is less than 2 must be in front. Are you okay here? The right is what? Is less than what than the left. What does that mean now? 5 less than what the right. Which is supposed to be in front now? The right. Alright? The right is what? They say 5 less than what? The right.
So the
The right should be at the front, right?
Yeah.
And followed by what? By a negative sign. Next year what? You have 5 now. Are we getting this concept now?
Yeah.
And this is what? The area is what? 6 less than what? The surface. Which is supposed to be in front now?
area.
No. Surface,
Yes,
surface, right?
Yeah.
Now, followed by what? When you talk about less than, followed by what? Negative sign, right?
Yeah.
So therefore, now we are given the area. That's also, sir.
Yeah.
We say area now is equal to what? Area is now equal to, for a rectangle, right? Is the length multiplied by what? By the breadth, right? Now area is given to us. And what is the area here?
180.
We now have 180 equal to the length. Do you know the length here? No, but the length is equal to what now?
R.
I will say area multiplied by the breadth, which is what?
R minus
Now we have
3.
R minus what? Minus 3. Are we clear here? You now have what? 180 here is now equal to multiply. R times R gives you
R square.
R square minus R times 3.
3R.
You have 3R. Eh? Now let's bring the guy to this side, the 180 to this side now. Now this man here is now equal to, we have R square minus 3R minus what? 180. Because this guy was positive, right?
Yeah.
Jumping the equal sign becomes what? Negative, eh?
Yeah.
We have taken the guy over here now. What does it mean now?
0.
Nothing, right? That is 0. Let's rearrange. You now have what? R square minus 3R minus 180 equal 0, eh? Now, since we have got this guy now, you know what you can do here? Now, always for quadratic equation, this one you can use what? Factorization method, right? There are three things that you must take note of. What are they? Find the what? The sum first, right? Always, this one just after the square term, alright? The variable here is what? Is squared, right? In this case here. But when we have variable here, this variable is what? Is linear. It has a power of what? Of 1 now. Are you okay? So always, the one that has the power of 1 is called what? Is called a sum. That means we are going to take what? The coefficient of that variable that has what? That has a power of 1 in what? In a quadratic equation. Are you right here? So we say sum here is equal to what? Negative what? Negative 3, eh? The next step here, you find out a product. What's the product here? You multiply the first term, which is A, and this last term, which is a constant. Alright? And this constant is equal to as C. Are you right here? How can you tell? From the original equation, right? We say we have what? We have ax square plus bx
Plus C.
plus c equal
0.
0. Eh? Always here, this guy is what? Is the sum. Alright? When you have the product here, it means you must multiply a multiplied by what? By c. Eh? And what the area for a? To the square term. Eh? And c is always the constant in what? In a quadratic equation. Are you okay, sir? So therefore, what is the product here now? We now say product. Product here is equal to what? What is the product that multiply a times c?
Yeah.
This negative what? 180, right?
Yeah.
Because a is 1, because this man has a coefficient of 1, eh? And then we have what? You have 1 minus 180. Don't forget the sign. Are you right? So therefore, you find two numbers again. That is the factors now, right? Factors. Now for the factors here, you find two numbers. What are those numbers? They are the numbers here. When you multiply, you're going to have 180, negative 180. Right? And when you add those numbers again, you can find what? The midterm. If you look at 12 and 1 and 15, eh? What are they? Multiply them. Now the 12 here, multiply by 1 by 15. What's that? 180. Is that also, sir? Now we have 180, but mind you, the 180 which you got here is what? Is negative, right? Now go again. How am I going to obtain this negative sign here for this 180? Now, bigger look at your sign, eh? Good. Now, if you put negative sign here and you put negative sign here, mind you, negative multiplied by negative, you're going to have what? Positive.
Positive, yeah.
That is minus times minus gives you a plus, right?
Yeah.
But observe again, this guy here, this sum here, is this sum negative or positive?
Negative.
That means one of these guys here must be positive, negative, and one must be positive.
Yeah, that's minus 15 times 12.
Now, what is the minus 15 times 12 gives you what?
Minus
Minus
180.
180.
Negative 180, right? Now, 12 here minus 15, what is that now?
Minus 3.
Minus 3.
Minus 3, right? So therefore, what you can do here, whenever you have a value here, this sum, find two numbers here, you subtract those numbers. That number gives you what? The midterm here. You know what you can do now? Apply the number by multiplying the number so that you can have this value here. We know that's what? 15 minus 12 gives you what? 3.
Yeah.
But the 3 is negative, right? So therefore, bigger number carries what the sign, eh?
Yeah,
so therefore, we can give this man what? Negative sign here.
Minus
If you
15.
now say what? 12 minus 15 gives you what now?
Minus 3.
Now try again. This number here. If I multiply it, am I going to have negative 180? Yes, we can. So one of the technique here, you can first look at this number, the midterm, the sum, which is this guy, which is negative 3 now. Now next thing here, Find two numbers here that you can want that you can subtract or you can add for you to have this guy here, this value.
What about minus 15 plus 12?
Minus 15 plus 12 here. No sir.
Minus 15 plus 12?
Plus 12. It's just the same thing, sir. Look at this one here. It's just the same thing, sir. Minus 15 plus 12, yeah?
It's minus 3.
You see minus 3. So minus 15, mind this man is standing there, it means it is positive, right? Are we clear here now? Let me see now. So what we are to do now? So therefore, our values here are what? Negative 15, right? Are we okay?
Yes, sir.
And then also you have positive 12. Next step here, into these two brackets. Okay? Now, two brackets here, and equal them to what? To 0, eh? What is the variable? What is the variable that we're dealing with here? R, eh? But the first one is what? Negative what?
Minus 15.
Negative 15, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have R again, but this sign is what? Positive,
Plus,
right?
Plus
Positive
12.
what?
12.
That is all. Now, equality gets what to 0. What is the variable that you have? R, eh? This one is negative. Jumping the equal sign becomes what now?
Positive.
So that was say R is equal to
15.
15.
R is
Or
minus 12.
R is equal to what?
Minus 12.
Negative 12. That is all. So the two numbers here are what? Negative 15. Sorry, positive 15 and what? And negative 12, right? That's all. Are we okay? Yeah, all is eh?
This topic is Boko.
The problem, what problem?
The following indices.
Yeah, from now, we look at indices now, that is indices.
And it's not this book.
We are going to finish that book, inshallah. This is not getting my thoughts, eh? Then you can now isolated equation, but maybe after we look at isolated equation, okay?
Okay. We'll go to alpha beta, eh?
No, I will start alpha beta. And everybody is curious about alpha beta. I will not alpha beta so much. Alpha beta is so simple as this form. One thing you must understand is what to put the formulas, right? Alpha beta is what is so simple as this form. It's just about what substituting what the values.
And also we need to try to treat coordinates.
Coordinates, okay, no problem. Yeah, we're going to look at them.
Even if you know like teacher, like past people as well.
We're going to look at coordinate geometry.
Brief on the slide.
And that's simplest topic again. Let's go. Next problem.
You see? The sides of a right angle triangle
Yeah.
in ascending order of magnitude.
Now look at this man in ascending order.
Yeah.
Well, we have two orders, right? You have descending order, you also have ascending order, right? Yes, sir.
Of magnitude are 8 centimeter in comma in bracket x minus 2 centimeter
Yeah.
and x centimeter. Find x.
Now we have to find x, right? But looking at this man here, in order of what of magnitude, right?
Yeah.
But in what? Ascending, right?
Ascending.
When you say ascending, this you must understand. That is why this guy is called what one problem, eh? You must have to understand what do they mean by what by ascending order of what of magnitude.
Okay.
Ascending means what? Let's assume we have what? We have 5,
It's more to
we have 6, we have 2, we have 10, alright? We have 1 here, and here we have what? We have 20. If they ask you to want to arrange these guys in what? In ascending order, right? What does that mean here? From small to what to big?
Yeah.
Are we okay here?
Yes, sir.
That means from ascending means what? From small to what to big, right?
Yeah.
And what about descending here? From big to what?
Small.
Are you clear here? It means this guy. We talk about right angle triangle, right? So therefore we are going to have something like this. Now 90 degrees symbol, right? In ascending, what happens now? From small to what to big, right? So what is the smaller value now? What are the values given to us? 8. X.
X minus 2.
Now, so what happens now? Here is going to be what? Here is going to be 8, right? Here is what? X minus what?
Minus 2.
Minus 2. And here is what now?
X.
X, right? We are asked to find X. Mind you, here is the hypotenuse, right? Why this one is called the hypotenuse? Because it is the side facing what? The 90 degree symbol. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Well, right angle triangle consists of 3 sides, eh? You have what? You have the hypotenuse, which is the side facing what the 90 degree symbol, right? Next you have what? You have the opposite. The opposite always is the side facing the angle.
Yeah.
After you have identified what? The two sides, that is the opposite and the hypotenuse here, that remaining side is called what is called the adjacent.
Yeah.
Am I right here? So always here, the key areas that you must try to identify in the what? In the right angle triangle here are the hypotenuse. That's the first area. But look at this guy here. The reason why we put what? The x value here, we say what? From small to what?
Big.
To big. Alright? The opposite here is what?
It's
It's 8, right? This is the opposite. Do you have any angle here?
no,
Do you have any angle here?
no.
There's no angle here, right? You can only have you can only say what? You can only have an opposite where you have what? Where you have an angle from what? From the right angle triangle. Let's assume we have what? We have an angle like this, and then we have what? You have x, alright? This is 90 degrees here. If you are asked to find what? The opposite here. What is the opposite here now? This side, right? Why? Many students are of the opinion that always there is what? There is the opposite. No. Let's assume that we have what? We have the angle here. Alright? Angle what? Angle theta. So what is the opposite here now? Here, right? A, B, and C. Let's put it this way. So therefore, BC is what? Is the opposite, right?
Yeah, of course.
Always the side facing the angle is called what? Is called the opposite. Are you alright? And here, the side facing the 90-degree symbol is called what? Is called the hypotenuse. After you have gotten these two sides, that remaining side is called what? It's called the adjacent now. Are you alright? Let's assume you have the angle in this manner. Alright? You have this guy here. You can see what the longest side is what is the hypotenuse, right? Okay, no problem. But in some cases here, if you have the angle this way here, mind you, the side facing this one, 90-degree symbol is always called what? The hypotenuse, right?
Yeah.
That is what? That is the key that you must take note of. That always the side facing what? The 90-degree symbol of a right angle triangle is called what? It's called the opposite. Sorry, the hypotenuse, right? If you have this one, you cannot be disappointed at all. Alright? So the side facing what? The angle here, okay, is called what now? It's called the opposite, right? And the remaining side is called what? It's called the adjacent. Are we okay here? So if we have this one, 8 here, x minus 2, and the hypotenuse here is having x, right? Why? Because we asked to find x. So what happens now? We are going to use what we call as the Pythagoras theorem. Which said that square of the hypotenuse here is equal to what? The sum square of what? Of the two sides.
Yeah.
Alright? So that is what? Irrespective of how you put it, as long as you are summing the values, you are going to have the same answer, right? But the most important thing here, that hypotenuse was what must be what? The leading equation. Are we okay? So let's go now. Now we now have what? Square of the hypotenuse, right? That x square is now equal to what? The sum square of the two remaining sides, right? And what do we have now? We have what? You have x minus what? Minus 2 square. Are we okay here? You can start with what? With 8. No problem. Are we okay? You can say 8 square. You can put 8 in front of x minus 2. Alright?
What about if they give us two sides? We will find the hypotenuse.
To find the hypotenuse.
Yes.
Now, for right angle triangle, when I was teaching you guys geometry, right? I told you that whenever you have what? You have 3 sides. 2 is known. The 1 is unknown. Use Pythagoras theorem.
Yeah, so what am I saying? I want to add or subtract.
This guy here, this guy,
Yes.
always Pythagoras states that the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum square of the two remaining sides. There is no way you can subtract here. What I'm going to do here, we are going to add. Always add. Are you okay, sir?
Okay. So sorry.
Yes, sir. No problem. No problem. Let's go.
So what about we have the hypotenuse and that's the adjacent. We want to find the opposite. So I will see adding.
Now, this is right angle triangle, right?
Exactly.
The side facing the 90-degree symbol is called what? Hypotenuse, right?
Yes.
This is 5.
Yes, 5, yeah.
Alright? Here is 3, right? Now we have to find out this guy, right?
Yeah.
This guy is what is 4. MCQ purpose, right?
Yeah. So are we adding or subtracting?
They are just going to add again.
So I'm seeing somewhere where normally subtract. For example, if they give the hypotenuse.
No, sir. You know what you can do here now? Look at what says the theorem here. Square of the hypotenuse, right? What's the hypotenuse here?
It's 5.
5 square, right? Is equal to the sum square of the two remaining sides. Let's name that to be what to be x now, right? So what happens now? We now have what? 3 square. Are we okay, sir? Next one you have here.
X square.
Now you have plus x square. Are you okay, sir? 5 square gives you what?
25.
Are you okay? Equal to 3 square gives you what?
9.
Plus what? Plus x square, right? Are you right? 25 here. Now this guy is what? Is a constant, right? This one is also a constant. This one is what is a variable. That's what we refer to as connecting like terms.
Yeah.
That those that are similar, they must be on one side. Are you right? So this man and this man here, they're just they are all constant, having what? No variable or no attachment of a letter or symbol, right? Minus, because this one is jumping the equal sign, right? Now this one is only negative because this one is what is jumping the equal sign.
Okay.
But when you are starting initially here, we start with the hypotenuse, right? It means we must sum them. This guy can only change here the sign because of what? This sign here, which is an equal sign. Are we okay here? Now we have what? We have 9.
Yeah.
Equal what? We have what? We have x square, right? And 25 minus 9. What's that?
16.
Now we have 16, right? Now if you have 16 here, this one is equal to what? X square, right? But come on here, you have different way. From this point here, you have different way of doing this one here. You can say to take square root, right?
Yes,
But we know that 2 raised to the power what? Power 4 gives you what?
That's
16, right?
16. Yeah.
16. 2 raised to the power gives you what?
16.
16, right? And also you have what? 4 square gives you what?
16.
16, right? So therefore you must look at what you have there as a power. Okay? What you have is what is 2, right? So therefore I will not say 2 raised to the power 4.
Why can we not take just like let me say the square root of 16?
Yes, sir.
Is it correct?
Yes, sir. That's what you have reduced to, right? Good. But if you use this method, it's also good.
Okay.
Now, I think that I can multiply for how many times for me to have 16?
Twice.
2 times. I will now say 4 square equal to what? X square, right? Now, in this case, what do we do now? This guy here and this guy we cancel, right? So therefore 4 here is equal to what now? X. Are we okay here? Or from this point here, you can say 16 here is equal to what? Is equal to x square. Are you right? Now to get rid of this guy, we take what? Square roots on both sides.
Yeah.
Square root of 16 here is now equal to x square here, and you have what? You have square root as well. This square root here and this square root, we cancel, right? So what do we have now here? That's what now? Okay. So, are we okay now? Hope it's clear now, right? Yeah. So let's go and find out we are asked to. Always, Pythagoras theorem, always. That's the rule, eh? We go now? Now, so therefore we are taking this guy, eh? What is the meaning now? 8, eh?
Yeah.
You now have what? 8 what? 8 square. Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Now we say what? X square is now equal. Remember, we have 2 brackets here. Always, the power is telling you how many times you must multiply what? A particular number. Since we have what? 2 here as a power, it tells us that we must multiply this bracket how many times?
Twice.
2 times, right? What happens? Another easiest way you can do this one here. What do you have now? X. Always
square.
take this one here and say what? X square, right? And what do you have now? 2. Right?
Minus 2.
Now, that is what? Minus what? Minus 4x now. You know why? The sign is what is negative to, right? That means here you must multiply the how many times now?
2 times.
Now, we are adding now, right? Just say minus 2 gives you what? Minus 4, right? But the variable here is what?
X.
You take x now. And plus what? Plus 2 square gives you what again?
16.
4.
4. So.
Are you okay here? Okay, people are confused, right? Let me just simplify this guy for you. X minus 2. And here we have what? We have x minus 2. Are we okay here now?
Yes, sir.
Expansion of first brackets, eh? Take one of the brackets and what? And multiply the other.
Yeah.
That is x here into what? X minus 2. Are we alright? Next we are taking x. What do we have inside there again? Minus 2, right? Into what? X minus what? Minus 2. Are we alright? X times x.
X square.
X square. This is the x that we have here now. Are we alright? X times minus 2 here.
Minus 2x.
Minus 2x, right? And minus 2 times x here gives you what?
Minus 2x.
Minus 2x, eh? Minus times minus gives you what?
Plus.
2 times 2.
4.
You have 4, eh? Now you have what? You have x square minus 2 gives you what?
Minus 4.
Minus 4x here plus what? Plus 4, eh?
Yeah.
So you can save time using all of these guys. Whenever you have what? You have these guys in what? In a bracket and the power is what is 2. Don't waste your time. Just in the first guy. What is this one here?
2.
It means here everything in this bracket here must be multiplied. I mean times 2 times.
Yeah.
So x times x gives you what?
X square.
This is the x square. But this sign here, this sign is what is negative, right? So put this sign here, negative. And what do you have here now? This always. This guy that you have here, look at the sign here. If you have minus 2, let's say you can say, well, this is minus 2 here, minus 2. Just say minus 2.
Yeah.
Alright? And minus 2 minus 2 gives you what? Minus 4. Now take this variable here, which is what? Which is x, right? All of them must have the variable, except this man. The last value. Yeah, 2 times 2 gives you what? 4. Are you okay here now? Hope this is clear, right? Plus what? 8 square gives you what? 8 square? 64, right? So therefore we now have what? Here is x, right? So therefore you have what? You have x square equal, you have what? You have x square again here. And then you have minus 4, right? Minus 4x here. Next one do you have here now? Now, this is plus 60 now, right? Plus 68. Are we clear with this one here? Because this is a constant. 4 plus 64 gives you what? 68. Is that also, sir?
Yes, sir.
So what do we do now? Let's take everything to the side now. Now we say we have what? We have, this one is equal.
Can you add x square minus 4x?
No, sir.
Can you subtract it?
You cannot subtract here. Reason being here, they are not the same, sir. Remember when we started initially equation here, I explained the type of equation, right? Actually, that's one we have was we have a linear equation. Alright? We say a linear equation here is an equation where the highest power of the variable is what is 1. What you are seeing here, 2x here plus what? Plus 3 equal what? 5. This is called what? A linear equation. Because all the powers here, they are what? They are 1, of the variable. Your concern is what is the variable. That's what we explain what is the variable, What's the constant and what's the coefficient. Always. Those are the things that you must take note of when you are solving problems on an equation. Are you right? So therefore, this one has a power of 1. Even though we cannot indicate the 1 here, but always, whenever the number stands alone, the power there is what is 1,
Yes, sir.
Are you okay here? So if you observe this one here, we think it was quadratic equation, A quadratic equation here is an equation where we have the highest power of the variable to be 2.
Yeah.
It doesn't mean that we are not going to have other powers. We are going to have them. But what you must look out for here is what is the highest power. So therefore, if you have what? 2x square plus 3x here plus 5 equal to 0. Here, everything here has a power. But we look out for the variables, right? Highest power of the variable is what? Is 2. Is that also, sir? Wherever you see this guy that has the highest power of the variable to be 2 here, that equation is called a quadratic equation, right? Now, does this man have a power? Yes. It has a power of what? Of 1. This man is a variable as well, right? Does this one has a power here?
Yes, sir.
The power here is what?
2.
So therefore, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. What if the
Yes,
x
yes, sir.
has a power 3?
We're talking about polynomials now. 4 is a polynomial.
Polynomials.
Is there any type of way you can solve polynomial?
Of course. Just like this year, calculation of medicine, this year you don't get to polynomial. But last year, they reach at polynomials, functions, alright? But this year you are safe, There's nothing like that. But maybe if time permits us, maybe we're going to touch a particular area for safety, right? Are you okay here? Maybe if time permits us. Okay? Because I want to finish this book for you guys. Which I do believe we can conquer, inshallah. Okay? So yes, sir, this guy, look at this guy here now. This guy is having a power of 2, right? And this one is also having a power. But this power is 1, right? Now it doesn't mean that you must look out for the next power. You must look out for them all. But the highest power you are going to look out for is what? 2. Are you okay here? But when you have x to the power 1 power 3 plus x to the power 1 power 2 plus x here plus 5 here. This man is called a polynomial function. Like I said, this is not for you. This here, there was nothing like that.
Partial fraction is about it.
This is not partial fraction. Alright? This is not partial fraction. Okay? Now, partial fraction here, we have method 1, method 2, right? Method 3. That's one here. The second method here is having what? A denominator, right? With a quadratic factors. But this is not for you, that is for quick 2. Alright? So, yes, are you okay now, sir?
Yes, sir.
So, this is why you're not adding these guys here. This variable and this variable, they are not the same
So you should not add them.
at all.
So even if you are collecting
Like terms. When you are collecting like terms, you look for those that has what? The power of what? Of 2.
Okay.
Alright?
Yeah.
You look for what? For those that have what? The power of what? Of 1. Or you look for those that have what? That have only numbers. We talk about constants, right?
Yeah.
A constant here are those numbers in what? In a mathematical statement or equation or what? Or expression that has what? That has no attachment of a letter. I explained all of these things right when we started, right?
Yeah.
So this is a coefficient here. This guy and this guy, they are coefficients. We say a coefficient here are those numbers that stand in front of a letter or a variable, right?
Yeah.
This guy is a constant. So when you are adding, when you are collecting like terms, that's what look at the like terms, right? We look at like. You know, so sir, it means we are not the same here, but there is similarities between us. So therefore, these guys that here, they have nothing like the same. They are not sharing any similarities here. Are we right? It has a power of 2. This one has a power of 1. So therefore, don't add or subtract them at all. Here we have what? We have x raised to the power 2, right? Here we have what? We have x raised to the power 2 again, right? This man here has been taken to the side now. That is, we have what? We have x squared. Are we okay here? But when we have on this side again, we have what? We have another value for what? For x squared, right? You can now say what?
Minus.
Now we have minus what? Minus x squared now, because this guy is what? Is positive here, right?
Yeah.
For me, now becomes what? Becomes negative. Are we okay?
Yes, sir.
Now we have minus what?
Minus
4x here plus what? Plus 68. Are we okay here? But we have taken this side. Everything here from this side to this side, right? So what is remaining here now? Are we okay now, sir? Are we clear with this guy?
Yeah.
Oh, that's something here. This guy and this guy, they are the same, right? The
Yeah.
powers are the same. So therefore, you can add or subtract them. But if you observe here, because the guy jumped the equal sign now, the guy become a negative, right? So this man that was here on the right hand side there was positive. So negative and positive, whenever they meet together, what happens now? You know what will happen? Right? They what? That's what 0 is. That's also sir.
Yeah.
So therefore, everything here is what? We now have what? 0 here is now equal to x squared minus x squared gives you what? 0, eh?
Yeah.
Minus what? Minus 4x here plus what?
68.
Plus 68. These guys, we are not going to add them. Reason being here, if we add these two guys here, it means what? We are not understanding what we are doing here.
Yeah.
This guy is what? Is having what? A variable, right? And this one is not having a variable. It means this one is a constant, right?
Yeah.
So then what happens now? If we take this guy to this side here, alright, what will happen now? This guy becomes what? Positive now, right? That is what? 4x here is now equal to what? 68, eh?
Yeah.
And we are asked about the value of what? Of x. Is that not so? Finding the value of x here, it means x must stand alone. No attachment, eh? So therefore we now say what? 4x here divided by what? By 4x, eh? Equal to what? 68 here divided by what? By 4x again, right? And x here is now equal to what we have?
17.
We have 17. The distance, we are then measured in what? In meter or centimeter? Centimeter, right? So you state the unit again, centimeter. Are you right here?
Yeah.
So look at it again, what do you have now? 8, right? Come here again, what do you have for this guy now? 17, right? 17 minus 2 gives you what? 15. I think ascending order or descending order here. Huh? They are what? Ascending order, right? Please call me.
And 2 less than 3 times the number is 14. Find the number.
That's question 1.
Problem 5.
Are we taking problem 4? Let's take a some value. Problem 4. Okay, let's go.
A man is 37 years old.
And these are some of the questions you must take notes of. You want to see them.
A man is 37 years old. 37 years old.
Now, man's age, eh?
Yeah. And his child age is 8. Sorry.
Man's age is equal to what?
37 years old.
Yeah.
And his child age is 8 years.
Now, the child's age
Is 8. How many years?
is equal to what? 8, eh?
How many years ago
Uh-huh.
was the product of their ages?
Now, whenever you want 8,
96.
you subtract again. So these are the things that you must take note of, eh? Ago. Later. That means you have to add, in 2 years' time, it means you have to add 2 to that particular age now. Alright? In 5 years' time, it means in 5 years' time plus the present age, add them now.
5 plus 2.
Am I here? Ago means what? Subtraction, 2 years ago. That means it has passed, right? That means you must what? You must subtract. When you want to know your age, this present year, 2025, right? And that's what and the year that they gave back to you, right? Are we going to do addition or subtraction here? Subtraction. Then you can tell that, oh, I'm going to the grave, right? I am now approaching what the grave. Seriously. Right? The moment you are 40 years, my brother, don't stress your life anymore in this world. Because you're not approaching the grave bit by bit, right? So stop stressing your life. Seriously. So we go, right? So in this case here, what happens now? They were asking us to find what? Yes, sir. What's the question again? The man's age is what? 37, right? Child's age is what? 8 years, right?
Yeah.
So now, do you know the years here? What's the best to find?
How many years?
Okay, the product together, right? We have a product, yes, sir.
The
Product here.
96.
Product of their age, yeah?
Yeah. Ages. 96.
Is equal to what?
96.
Yes, sir. So, yes, sir. What
That's
next?
That's all.
Is that the question? Read the question again.
A man age is 37 years old and his child age is 8. How many years ago was the product?
Look at this one here.
of
How
ages?
many years ago, right? How many years ago? That means, do you know the years here? Huh? Let, always let in this case, let the year be what? X, okay, X. I will use X. You know what you can do now? In this case now, the father's age now and this age must be subtracted, right? How many years ago? The product of the age we use this guy, Let's go now. What do you have now? Man's age again, or father's age? Father's age. Father's age now is equal to what? Now we have 37, minus what? Minus X years. Are we okay now? Next we have what? Son's age. Son's age is now equal, what is that now? 8 minus what? Minus X, right? Good. Now we are now talking of what? Of their products, right? Now in how many years? Their products will now be what? Now whenever they make mention of what of product again, it means you have to what? You have to multiply. Difference, it means you have to what? You have to subtract. Sum means you have to what? You have to add, And means you have to what? You have to add. Off means you have to what? You have to multiply. Are we getting this concept here?
Yes, sir.
So, product of their ages now, what do you have now? You now have what? Father's age, right? 37 minus X. Are we right here? Multiply by what? 8 minus X here is now equal to what? 96. Therefore, this is the product of what of their age now. That is 96, right? But we know that bracket means what? Multiplication, So therefore, what do we do here? Take one of the brackets and what? And expand the other by multiplying. Are we okay? Now you have what? You have 37, 37 here, we have what? 8 minus X. Are we clear here? Next, we are taking 37 in this bracket here. What does it mean here now?
Minus X.
Now take minus X again and multiply this bracket. Which is what? 8 minus what? Minus X again. Are we clear here? Equal to what? 96, Now, 37 times 8. What's that?
37 times 8. 296.
296 minus 37 times X gives you 37X, right? Yeah, you have negative X times 8, and you have what? Negative 8X, Minus times minus gives you plus, and X times X gives you what?
X squared.
Equal to 96. Are we okay here?
Yeah.
Hope it's clear, right? Now looking at this guy here, let's collect like terms, This one is a constant. Are we okay here? Now I will take this multiplier now. Are we clear here? Because this one is what is a constant, okay? We now have what? 296 here minus what? 96 again. Next one was minus 37x, right? And minus 8x. What is that now? 45, 43,
29.
45, sorry. 37 here. Minus 37 minus 8. What is that? Minus what? 45, right?
Yeah.
Are you okay here?
Yes, sir.
Now you have what? Negative what? 45x. Are we okay here? Next one you have here, you have plus x squared. But this one has what? No like. We have only one x squared, right? So you say plus what? Plus x squared. Now everything here has been taken to the side. Then what does it mean here now? 0. So when subtracting here, what do you have now? You have 200. Are we right here? Next you have what? Minus 45x plus x square equal 0. Let's rearrange the value. So we now have what? X square minus 45x plus what? Plus 200 equal 0. We find our sum, eh?
Yeah.
What is our sum here?
Minus 45.
45. Now you find two numbers here. When you multiply them here, you're going to have what? You're going to have 45, right? So you're going to have 200. And when you add or subtract, you're going to have what?
Minus 45.
Now you think, which one am I to what? To put together to commit to have what? Commit to have 45.
Problem.
Huh?
Yeah.
Now first of all you add, eh? Are we right here?
Yes, sir.
We add. What are the values now?
I think we should do the end.
Hmm?
For divide by 2.
Divide by 2?
We're gone.
No, come on.
Divide by
What is the coefficient here?
Yeah,
1, right? So come on here. You can only divide, you can look at this coefficient here. That can determine what's the division now.
So I'm not sure if we're number way.
Why not? Why not have a number?
Oh, 45 and an odd number.
But why not an odd number? But there's a way you can have what you can have two
200 is an
numbers.
even number.
3 is 3 an odd number?
Yes.
Yeah, we just solve a problem where we have what? We have a negative 3. Are we okay here?
Yeah. Even 3 cannot go into 200.
I know that 3 cannot go to this one here. What did you?
200.
200, no, so 40 plus 5, what did you?
45.
45.
So one for positive, one for negative.
No, sir.
A minus
Look at
45.
this man here, what did you?
Yeah,
It's
plus
positive.
200.
Now,
It's minus
look at
40
it, yeah.
minus
50
times
times 5.
50 times 5.
5.
No, to 50, you. Watch
Yeah.
out.
Yeah,
250.
250. So minus 40 times minus 5. Give positive 200.
Now,
Minus, yeah,
50.
that's it.
That's it.
Nine.
You know how to speak to me, bro.
Then
Nine.
minus 40 minus 40
Nine.
plus
That's it. That's it.
minus 40
Minus
minus
40
5.
minus 5. 9.
Oh, okay, 9.
The two numbers are quite sum, eh?
Yeah.
Sum here is now equal to what? What is the sum now? The midterm, right?
Yeah.
Minus what? 45. Are we okay here?
Yeah.
Always, whenever you want to factorize, that is the first step, eh? Secondly, here, you find what? Product, eh?
Yeah.
The product here is when you multiply A and what and C, right? But A here, look at the coefficient I'm talking about here.
1.
This one. 1 times 200 gives you what?
200.
200, eh? Now you find two numbers here. Those two numbers are called what? The factors, right? That is when you multiply, you're going to have 200, and when you add or subtract, you're going to have what?
45.
Negative 45. Are you okay here? What's the numbers here?
Minus 40.
Factors, eh? Factors here are, what do you have now? Negative what? 40, right? And then you have what? You have negative what?
5.
Okay, positive 5, eh?
Negative.
Negative 5 again.
Yeah.
Now what do you have now?
Yeah.
Now this guy, here. What do you have here? 45, right?
Yeah.
So therefore, into these two brackets again, what are the variables here? X minus what? Minus 40. Are we okay here? And then you have what? You have x minus
minus
what?
5.
Minus 5 equal to what? 0. Are we okay here? Are we getting the concept here? Are we lost?
No.
Okay, we go. Now, equate everything to what? To 0 now, eh? Either x minus 40 equal to 0 or x minus 5 equal to 0, eh? So therefore, x here is now equal, this 40 is equal to what now? 40.
X equals to 5.
Or x here is equal to what? Is equal to 5, right?
Yeah.
So what is that product that will bring these guys? Sorry, what when you multiply the guys here? We are going to have what? This guy, right?
96.
36. That also sir. So therefore the product we have to find the ages, right? What is that now? In this case here, what are you going to take now?
45.
How many years?
40.
How many years?
45.
Will the sum of both of that product be what?
45.
45.
Mm-hmm.
So which one are we to take now?
5.
5, right? Why 5?
I don't understand.
Okay, you're looking at the book.
Yeah, why?
Right?
I don't understand.
No, I did not choose any number yet.
No, what do you talk this?
Now, what do I want to say here? From your question here, how many years ago will the product of what? Of their ages be what? 96, right? People are saying it was 5. Because they are saying that's 5 in the book.
When you multiply,
Now, when you multiply, right?
Yeah.
Come on here. If you put 5 here, let's take 5.
You multiply, you get 96.
When x is equal to 40, right?
Yeah.
So, we have what? What do you have over there now? 37, right?
Yeah.
Now, so for their ages here is now equal to what? This guy here is now, look at this man here, 37 minus what?
-4.
Minus 40, right?
Yeah.
You're going to have what? A negative value.
Yeah.
So use 5.
And this, we are talking about some ages, right? It must not be negative. Are we okay here?
Yeah.
Come here again. What's the age here? 8. Now, you choose this one to be what? To be the years ago, right?
Yeah.
So therefore, 8 minus what? Minus 40 gives you what now?
Minus 32.
Now, everything so is negative, right?
Yeah.
The hikmah here, why we choose 5 is what? Because when you look at this man here, 37 minus 5 gives you what?
32.
32.
Now, that means here, this man here, again here, has positive value, right? And 8 minus 5 gives you what now?
3.
Huh?
3.
8 minus 5 is 3. Sorry.
Is that okay now? Am I right?
Yeah.
So the hikmah, why I choose 5? That's the reason, eh? Because if we take 5 here, they are products, right? So therefore, we pay attention here now. So if we take now what? 37 minus 5 here, gives you what now?
32.
Now we have 32. Look at this man here. Times, and 8 minus 5 gives you what?
3.
3. Now you multiply this one for me now. What do you have now? 3 times 2 gives you what? 6, right?
Yeah.
And 3 times 2 gives you what?
96.
Are you okay now? That's it. That's it.
I'm quite.
That's it, eh?
Yeah.
Let's take another problem now. Yeah, what's this one in your MCQ? Let's see of them.
It's what problem?
Yeah.
Yeah.